whence ye came! Retreat, ye undersea scourge! Puffin, what's it saying?
This guy is hilarious!
Ha! Is that all you got?
Let's get Kraken! Did you hear my joke, Tsuni? Battle talk, right? Oops.
Des!
Let her do her thing, Des.
Not while I still have a helping bone in my body. Trident throw!
He says thanks.
He's going down if it's the last thing I do, though I really hope it's not the last thing I do.
Because that will have meant he killed you. Killed you dead!
I know, thanks for clarifying. But first, a new, more deadly weapon. It's perfect. What are these things made of?
You need to work on your upper body strength, Des.
Thy time atop the surface has come to its end, vile beast!
Tsuni, he's got a hostage.
This, totally sucks. My manliness is totally undermined.
Aha! This is my chance! War cry! Ah, failure slip! Ah! Hey, Neptune!
Hey, Daz.
I need you to distract the Kraken.
Don't worry. I know an old Kraken joke my grandma Puffin told me long ago. Oh, no! His mom is from Nantucket!
Keeks, can you give me some distracting karaoke minus the karaoke machine?
You mean just singing? My pleasure. Go to sleep, slimy guy. Do you even have eyelids? Sink real deep in the ocean and then dream about my voice.